Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Ad Design Masterclass, and today we are going to see how regional ads are beneficial. Moreover, in India I have seen that most of the ads are in English and we do not use regional ads in India mostly, but if you see the countries like Spain, they use widely, right? The big companies are using, like if you see in TV commercials, they are using the ads in Hindi, but in the digital platform we see pretty much less of those. So first of all, let me take to you some of the ads, how they look like and how they are beneficial. I will tell you afterwards. So this is an ad from Colgate. Now this is a big brand, this is a big company. See, this ad is from newspaper. This is a print ad. कुदरत के साथ स्वस्थ और सुरक्षित दांत. So with the ingredients and the product, okay, they have designed this full ad for a newspaper front page, right? Let us see some more ads. This one is from Garnier, okay. This one is from Imami, okay, featuring Amitabh Bachchan. Taste का भरोसा, all right. This one is from I guess जीवन भर का लाभ का आखिरी मौका. This is somewhere from an insurance company or something like that. Okay, let's see some more. Now this one is of a numerology class. जिंदगी में सफलता और कामयाबी चाहिए, अंक शस्त्र और वास्तु के राज जानिए 120 मिनट में. Why are they doing this kinds of ad? Definitely they know that these ads perform pretty well. Like if you open your TV channels, and if you are from India, say if you are from Kolkata or Bengal, okay, so the most of the ads which you will be seeing on your Bengali channels are in Bangla, not in English or other languages. So similarly, if you target in Maharashtra, so you will be mostly finding Marathis over there, and similarly you have South and other zones having other languages. So with the help of this, now what happens when you use a regional ad is you build a better trust than what you do in an international language which is used by everybody else. And this one I have heard from a very big businessman who himself is in media industry. Like he has his own newspaper. I cannot name what the brand or company name is, okay, it's not allowed, but he himself said that whenever we run ads which are regional, it build a lot of trust, okay. And if you go in Gujarat side and all, okay, if you do some ads in Gujarati newspaper in Gujarati language, even in Facebook ads you do Gujarati language and target the Gujarati audiences, you will get a lot more better results. And this is what happens in TV commercials, newspaper, and this is what I also believe are being used properly and widely in overseas like Spain and all countries, but not in India. So let me tell you how you can achieve this. If you have a Hindi copywriter, then you will be getting the copy in Hindi, and all you need to do is copy and paste the text in the Photoshop ad, whatever you are doing, okay. But if you don't have that, you can simply use the Google Translator. Let me show you, and I will be also telling that how you can use it in Photoshop, because if you simply go and paste the text in Photoshop, you will be getting some kinds of error, and what are those I will be telling you right now. If you do not have a Hindi copywriter, all you can do is, if you have an English copy, you can put that in Google Translate over here. Like we have graphic designing company, so we are putting a promotional offer as get 10% off on graphic design services. It will automatically convert it like graphic design सेवाओं पर 10% की छूट प्राप्त करें. And if I am doing this ads in Delhi, in Mumbai, in all these regions where Hindi is widely used, it is basically used all over the India, pan India. But if you are doing more specific kind of ads like Bengali ads, okay, or for a product which you are selling mostly in Bengal, if you have a mortgage, or if you have a local store, or if you have a kirana, if you have a medical store, if you own a apparel store anywhere in a state or a city, you can simply use these kinds of regional ads to get better trust and authority. All right, so if you copy this thing out and if you come up, so I have already created a document, all right. you can paste your text over here. Okay, now if you are doing it in Hindi, okay, so you will be getting some fonts like Devanagari and all. So all you need to do is download those fonts first. Okay, in Google you can simply search for Hindi fonts. Okay, and you will get 10 and 10 of that. All right, let me show some of those. See Devanagari, and then you can see this Mukta, this Teko, then Hind, Martel, Rajdhani. All these fonts have the Hindi characters, and you can download this font whichever suits your brand, and then you can simply come up over here and use that font and put the text over here. But you will be seeing that right now I am getting the perfect text which I am looking for, right? So the spelling wise it is completely fine, but when you will be doing the similar stuff you might be getting some sort of errors, and let me show you what it will be. See, so this is the error which I am talking about, and most of the people are getting mistaken over here. So what happens is if you simply copy and paste it now, you will be getting this kind of errors, okay, where the spelling is a bit different from what it actually should be. So what you can do is if it is in Latin or East Asian, okay, so you will not be getting the exact result. See, this is wrong, this one is wrong, only this one is correct. So how are we doing this is you simply need to come up over here, and instead of Latin and East Asian layout you need to select world ready layout. This one will give you the actual result, be it you are using for Bangla, be it using for Urdu, Arabic, or any Tamil or South Indian languages, or whatever it is, Marathi or anything. Just use this world ready layout and your text will come up perfectly fine. If you do not do that, you will be facing these kinds of spelling mistakes. All right, so how can you also like, this is a way you can solve this issue. Other than that, what you can do is you can simply press if you are on Mac you can press Command K, if you are on Windows you can press Control K, or in Windows you will get you can go over to this edit and you will get a preference option over here, but in Mac on Photoshop over here you will be getting this preference option. Okay, so once you go to this preference option by pressing Command K or Control K, you get all these kinds of option over here. Come up to this type, and over here you will need to change. By default it will be in Latin and East Asian layout. You need to change it to world ready layout so that it can take up all the languages and will be putting up the spellings in a proper format, else again it will be a kind of problem you will be facing. Okay, also some of the time even after changing it to world ready layout you might be facing these kinds of issues like spelling mistakes and all you need to do is you simply close the document, save it, close it, and then close the Photoshop, restart it, and then try to do it from fresh. I believe that will help you out. Thank you. We will meet in the next session. If you have any queries you can comment down below. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.